I plan to add, you'd said that there are two legs to this business. One is content, the other one's link building. I plan to add a third leg, which is monetization. In my original business, there is cost of lead. So I see that if you can successfully sell leads which are relevant to businesses, then it would then your cost or your revenue per thousand visitors really goes through the roof. Like it's not comparable to any advertising or any affiliate stuff that you can do. So with the new site, I plan to explore, and that's the lens now I'm using. That what kind of businesses can can I provide leads to? And again, I think I heard this on your podcast, but it's user intent that one needs to be very aware of. So I see that, if someone's searching for best ballpoint pens for journaling, so they are looking for ballpoint pens. So that's a certain persona of people, but they are most probably journalists. So what do journalists need? Which businesses need journalists? Can there be a way for me to connect the journalists to that business? So that's what I'm looking at. And if I'm able to crack that, then yeah, then I'm hopeful that we can make something big.
Yeah, that's pretty amazing. I've definitely heard, actually, since I've been working online about lead generation, whether it's for, higher ticket clients or for, local businesses. So there's a whole other industry of lead generation and like people that know SEO or other ways to acquire those leads and then get them over to whoever needs them. So that's pretty awesome. Now, you actually, read my mind a little bit. I was going to ask about any sort of ad networks or other revenue streams aside from Amazon for that original site. I kind of forgot earlier, but yeah, are you monetizing in any other way?
I tried applying to AdWords and I was rejected a couple of times. I don't know why. They've always said that because of COVID, they're not accepting, but I know for a fact that other people are getting accepted. So I really don't know. I think I'd probably check out Ezoic when I reach the 10,000 visitors a month threshold. I'm right now at six and a half. So
Should be soon. Well, you do have to be in AdSense for Ezoic. I
um,
believe it's like part
okay,
of the same network.
okay.
But do you have, I talked to someone not too long ago, do you have an about page and all this sort of normal pages that you're supposed to have, like a privacy and all those things?
Yes, yes. I read up why am I being rejected. So that's what came out. And I built those pages and then I got rejected again. So I honestly, I've just then pushed it to the back for now. And yeah, if I can crack this leads bit, let's just say that because of my existing business, I have some connections where I can take the users of my current site to that to that other business. I'm just waiting for this number to be big enough for them to be interested. So,
Gotcha.
if it's just two leads or five leads a day, it probably be not worth the other party's time. So uh, I'm not really very concerned with not having Google Ads because I see that I'll have two kinds of pages. One is money page, one is information page, and I see a lot of lead gen happening on the information page, not on a money page.
That makes complete sense to me. Yeah, like you said, the amount that you can earn per thousand visitors is going to be through the roof on the lead side, assuming it's a high ticket lead, which that would be the only reason someone would pay money.
Yes, yes,
So
yes, yeah. It's something which has a high lifetime value. So being again, I'm in a very unique situation because of my existing offline business that I know of these things and I can connect the dots. So for someone who's doing their normal affiliate stuff, I don't know if this would be something that they could manage. And I'm not talking local lead gen because local lead gen is very I would say tedious. You have to speak to maybe 20 plumbers to send them 20 leads. I'm talking of a bigger scale, but that really happens if you know the right people at the right places.
Very good. Do you have any other advice or tips for folks that want to replicate what you've done in, a fairly short time here?
Yeah, I did note it down because I have gotten a lot of advice from your podcast. So what worked well for me was, despite the initial problems that I had, I kept looking at it as a business, and at no point of time, even though it was doing $50 a month, at no point of time I saw this as a hobby. So I did, uh, even after acquiring the site for about 6 grand, I did put in money, more money than that, behind that site in terms of content. And yeah, I started off like in my mind, I had that budget. I didn't know that. I mean, I had that budget spread over a year. I didn't know that I'd end up running through the budget in like 3 months. But yeah, I that was one. And invest in good content. I mean, it's really the content that people come there for. That's the only asset that we have. So if it's just run-of-the-mill content, you'll just get run-of-the-mill results. Probably not even that because someone's already doing that, and you're second or third or maybe 20th in line. So you really have to invest in good content, something that serves the visitor's needs.